The battles for both main titles in the Maxxis ACU British Motocross Championship continue as the series moves north for the next round at the Preston Dock Circuit in Lancashire. Ben Watson still setting the pace in MX2, and the man at the top of MX1 is Graham Irwin, and he loves racing at Preston Docks.
I like it. Yeah, I raced there at the start of this year and won the overall there with another domestic series. So, yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll do the same and say wrap this thing up.